Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we're taking a look at the Polkadot coin. Now, very interesting setup is forming here where we had a strong breakout, and right now we are retesting the breakout zone. So we had the market structure break. We can zoom out, you can see we had a strong downside trend here, and now eventually we are seeing the market structure break, strong breakout similar to this area here. And now price is retesting the breakout zone, which is very crucial at the current moment. So on the smaller time frames or the smaller trading setup that we are seeing here right now is current retest point. So as we had the successful retest, we might be seeing the price to reach this area here, going to mark it as a box. So that whole zone here, which is like 1.68 to 1.75 dollar mark area. Now, if we take the lower target, the risk reward ratio is 1 to 2. We take the higher target, it's like 1 to 3, basically, almost. Like, okay, it's not almost, but 1 to 2.5. So, two target zones. This is the first target, this is the second target. So, this is current plan on the 4-hour time frame. And as many know, we like the break retests and another break strategy. So, if we take right now, let's take this setup here. So we had price moving this side, then we had the retest, and now ideally what we need to see, going to show you, bam bam bam. So once we see, let's take it here out and like this. So once we see the break from this zone here, which means this is the new BOS. Whoa. Now this is the MSB we had, so market structure break, and this is the retest point we had. Retest. So 3-point setup. We break, we retest, we have another breakout structure. This is the ultimate movement, or the ideal movement for us if we are looking for the bigger time frame targets. I'm going to show you right now the approximate target that we are going to look for. So let's put it like this. This is the first setup we had. Now if we take, going to leave this here, and this like this. So the next area we will be looking for is, of course, this area here for the bigger time frame trade. Once we see the break of this zone, this will be another opportunity for a trade, but risk reward ratio is not going to be the same, like good. Now the target is based just on the previous local high area before we had downside movement, but ideally we would set a secondary target at approximately this area here. So this area here and this area here. So like 3 target area. First is 10% of market price movement, then 20, and then basically 36. Now the stop loss has to be that high because we had a very volatile breakout, but ideal would be, of course, if we would have dollar cost averaging the position. But to be honest, this setup is pretty bulletproof, I can say. So if we see a breakout from here, then most likely we're going to see a movement of 35% market price movement. So anyways, that's the setup that we are seeing right now. We had a strong market structure break, we had a retest, which is a successful one. Now smaller target is this area here, which is $1.7. Once we see this broken, the next target is this area, and also this area. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, feel free to leave a comment, and I will catch you tomorrow.